Start with the great name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome to the Hope School and College, Sindh Education Foundation, Government of Sindh project. I am Abdul Jaleel as a chemistry class 10 tutor of chapter 2, concept of pH and pOH. Concept of pH and pOH. So first start with the water. Because pH and pOH we found of aqueous solution. So when water is dissolved or water, when we check the water, quantity of water, quality of water, so water possesses equal number of H plus and OH ions. H plus means hydrogen ion, OH hydroxide ion for neutral pure water. Okay, these are the concentration of hydrogen and OH ion. Okay, it ionizes according to the following reaction. When H2O dissociate, they produce H plus and OH ion. So previous chapter we have read equilibrium constant. So how we find the equilibrium constant of this reaction? This is the Kc is equal to product concentration divided by reactant concentration. So that is the product and this is the reactant. Okay, now square bracket represent molar concentration of a species and its unit are made decimeter, mole per decimeter cube. As we know, the ionization of water very small, so the concentration is approximately unchanged and considered as constant. So Kw is used for water equilibrium constant. Then equation will be this H2O jump to here and multiply to Kc H2O. Now complete Kc into H2O concentration is the Kw. This Kw is the ionic product constant of water and its value is 1 into 10 power minus 14. What is this? This is the value of water in which hydrogen and OH ion concentration is present. If we separate these concentration, let's see, in water H plus ion is 1 into 10 power minus 7 and OH ion will contain 1 into 10 power minus 7 ions also. So when we both add these concentration, the answer will come 1 into 10 power minus 14 mole per decimeter cube. Okay. So now when we finding the quantity of H plus and OH ion in neutral water, it means 10 power minus 7 mole per liter of concentration of H plus ion and 10 power minus 7 concentration of OH ion. H plus ion for we have already known that H plus means acidic concentration, means how much the solution is acidic. So H plus ion for acidic and OH ion for basic. We have previous studied the video of acid, base and salt. Okay. In acidic solution, H plus ions concentration is greater than OH ion. It means H plus ions greater than 10 power minus 7. Greater than 10 power 7 means 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 5 will be. Because when we reduce the number, there will be the increase in concentration because the power is in negative. Therefore, when we decrease the number 10 power 7 to minus 6, minus 5, it means increasing in the concentration. Similarly, for basic, OH ion greater than H plus ion. Therefore, H plus ion less than 10 power minus 7. Less than means 10 power minus 8, 10 power minus 9, concentration of H plus ion will be in the basic solution. Now it is difficult to deal with the small number because 10 power minus 7 is very small number, 0.70 or 60 after 1. This number will be in a scientific form and in journal form. Okay, so it means this number is very small. So to for easiness, for easiness, we have choose the logarithm scale. Okay, we have choose the logarithm to deal with small number. So it convenient to convert these figure into positive figure using a numerical system taking common base logarithm of figure multiplying with -1. P before a symbol means negative logarithm of the symbol. P means power. P before H means power of H is equal to minus log H plus, and these brackets are concentration. So the definition of pH will be pH is the negative logarithm of molar concentration of hydrogen ion. Okay, this is the equation, and I have already defined why we use P. As we know, this pH and pOH concept was proposed by Danish chemist Soren Peter. Okay, pH was the abbreviation of potential of hydrogen, means power of hydrogen, and scale for measuring relative acidity or alkalinity of liquid solution. Means through pH we find the acidity or alkalinity. Alkalinity means basicity. So pH is the measurement of concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution. It may be defined as the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. This is the equation already here. And pOH is the measurement of the concentration of OH, hydroxyl ion in a solution. It may be negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration. Same equation for pOH. The pH scale measures the acidic or basic substance. Means pH measure the acidity and basicity of solution. The scale has a value ranging from 0 to 14. Why 0 to 14? Because in my previous slide I have told that the concentration of water H and OH ion is 14. 1 into 10 power minus 14. 1 into 10 power minus 14 means 0 to 14 is the range of pH. 14 is the range of pH. Okay, the different solution can be measured by pH paper, pH indicator, and pH meter. These are the techniques we use for pH measurement: pH paper, pH indicator, and pH meter. With reference to this equation, a scale developed according to the molar concentration of H plus ion that is called pH scale. It ranges from 0 to 14. According to this scale, pH of water is calculated. Now, if we have hydrogen ion concentration is this amount, then we convert this number into this whole number. How? Because log of 1 is 0 plus log of 10 power minus 7 is equal to minus 7 minus multiply plus, and 7 multiply 1 is equal to 7. This is the numerical base, so I can solve here. Log 1 plus log, because this is a minus log, okay, minus log 10 power minus 7. Because it is the property of log, when both number are multiplying, they will create a positive sign between. If the power is in exponent form, then log convert this exponent into beginning. So minus 7 multiply here, minus log is equal to plus 7, and log power 10 will be 1. Okay, and this log power 1 is equal to 0. And this is plus here. If we solve this equation, then 7 answer will come. Similarly, for pOH, 7 will come. It means for easiness, we have made a scale for measuring the concentration of hydrogen, and OH ion we made a pH scale. So it is easy for understanding. Okay, when pH plus pOH add, it will become 14. So here given, when pH is 0, highly acidic, 1, 2, 3, 7 for neutral pH, and highly basic, the pH will be 14. Similarly for pOH, 14, and for basic, 0. A solution is composed of pH or pOH. 7 is considered as a neutral solution, here given. Solution of pH less than 7 are acidic, here given. And 7 are basic are also shown in figure. Okay, greater than 7. Now what does it mean? What does it mean? pH of 1, 2, 3, 4, what does it mean? It is a simple, because it is the logarithm scale we have used. So a solution of pH 1 has 10 times higher concentration of H plus. Then the solution of pH 2 means 100 times. Means pH 2 is equal to 10 power 2. Okay, pH 3 means 10 power 3. It means this is the increase in times multiplication. 10 pH 4 means 10 power 4. 10 power 4 means 10,000. What 10,000? 10,000 hydrogen ion concentration present in the solution. So this is the pH scale for measuring the quantity of H plus ion in a solution. Hence pH, low pH value means strong acid, while high pH value means strong base. Okay, you can see here 10 power 3 means H plus ion concentration increase, 10 power 2 means less, and if 10 power 2 means 2 pH. Okay, hence the low pH means strong acid and high pH value means vice versa. Okay, pH of a neutral solution always 7, acidic solution a pH less than 7, basic solution a pH greater than 7, pH and pOH range from 0 to 14. Now this table is given for pH and pOH. If 1 molar HCl solution you have given, 1 molar means molarity. This will pH 0 and OH ion concentration will be here minus 14, 1 into 10 power minus 14, and H plus ion concentration will be 10 power 0. You can also solve this concentration, put in the formula of pH, then you can get value of pH. You will get 0 value. Similarly for basic, 1 molarity sodium hydro solution, molarity means concentration of amount of solute dissolved in a 1 liter of solution. Okay, means 1 molarity means sodium hydroxide dissolved in a 1 liter of solution. This is shown here. Now problem is given. A solution of HCl has a pH 2.3. Calculate pOH and H plus ion. Okay, we know that pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So pOH is equal to 14 minus pH. So pOH will be 14 minus 2.3. Why? Because pH is given 2.3. So pOH is 11.7. Now we have to find H plus ion. We know that the formula of pH is minus log H plus ion. Now, when we convert these, 10 power x is equal to H plus ion, means H plus ions is the concentration of 10 power x. X means what is the pH. Okay, so here instead of x we have put minus pH. Okay, now 10 power minus 2.3. Why? Because pH is given 2.3, so I put x value 2.3, so H plus ion concentration is 2.3. Now second question numerical, find pH, pOH, OH and H plus ion of 2.49 into 10 power minus 9 molarity of potassium hydroxide solution. Okay, solution is that when you put KOH dissociate, they will produce K plus OH ion. Definitely, we have already mentioned when acid dissolve, it produces H plus and chlorine ion like HCl. When potassium hydroxide dissolve in water or dissociate in aqueous solution, it will produce K plus and OH ion. They have given 2.46 into 10 power minus 9 molarity of KOH, means how much amount of KOH is 1 mole. So OH also 1 mole, K plus is also 1 mole. So this concentration given for OH. Why? Because KOH is basic and it produces OH in large amount. Therefore, this concentration is OH. So we know that H plus into OH ion in pure water we have discussed in the first slide. Its value was 1 into 10 power minus 14. And we also know that pH is equal to minus log H plus ion. Okay, we have given OH ion. If H is here and OH ion divide by 1 into 10 power minus 14, OH ion concentration is given here. When we divide 1 into 10 power minus 14 divide by 2 into 4.6 into 10 power minus 9, then answer will come 4.07 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, when we put this value in this equation, this is this is equation number 1. If we put 4 into minus 0.07 into this equation, equation number 1, then H plus ion will be 4.07 into 10 power is equal to 5.39. This is the pH. How I get this value? This is from equation number 1. When we put H plus ion concentration and take logarithm of this value, and you can take this value from calculator, and pH will come 5.39. Okay, now pH we have found. Now pH plus pOH is equal to 14. pOH is equal to 14.5 minus 5.39, so pOH answer will be 8.61. Okay, now we have find all solution pH, pOH, OH and H plus ion concentration. Now figure when we find the pH through a paper, these color for acidic, these color for basic, means blue, dark blue for basic, dark red for acidic and green for neutral. Now you have to remember this. Now I have gave some bonus numerical for those students who are interested in this topic. So numerical is find pH of solution which has H3O ion concentration is 10 power minus 3 mole per liter. So pH formula is minus log into H plus ion concentration. Sometime we have given H plus ion concentration, sometime we have given H3O plus ion concentration, because in water there is H3O plus ion concentration. Okay, so we put H3O plus ion concentration instead of H plus ion concentration. So minus log minus 3 will come first here, minus multiply minus cancel. Okay, 3 and log power 10 is equal to 1. When 1 multiply 3, the pH will be 3. Okay. Now another problem is find the pH of strong acid. 10 power minus 2 concentration of HCl is given. Means HCl dissociate 100%. HCl have equation, it dissociate to H plus and chlorine minus. When HCl dissociate, 10 power minus 2 ion will produce. Okay, so hydrogen ion concentration will be here 10 power minus 2. Now formula is pH minus log 10 power minus 2. Minus 2 will come in before log, so minus multiply minus 2. Okay, and multiply log power 10 means 1, so pH will be 2. Similarly, a solution have nitric acid and this molarity have 10 power minus 3. It means H plus ions are 10 power minus 3. So put here minus log 10 power minus into 10 power minus 3. So log have a property log 2 plus log 10 power minus 3. Minus 3 will come here and log 2 is equal to 0.3. Log 2.3 and log 3 is equal to 0.3 minus 3. Okay, and minus here, minus multiply here, and this number will change to minus plus and 2.7 answer come. Thanks for listening and watching. For further contact us, Hope School and College, Main Campus, Mirwa Gorjani, Metro Khas. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.